might be wondering, what is a guzheng? A guzheng is a Chinese plucked string instrument with more than 2,500 years history. The modern guzheng commonly has 21 strings and movable bridges. Guzheng players often wear finger picks to play the instrument to produce a louder and brighter sound. This is how to set up a guzheng. Take note that one of the bass is longer than the other. The longer bass is to place the head of the guzheng, and for the shorter bass is to place the tail of the guzheng. First, stretch out your arms and put the bass on the floor. Remember that the bass have different sizes. Next, pull your guzheng and turn it to the back. This is the middle handle and the bottom handle. Hold the middle handle with your left hand and the bottom handle with your right hand. Pull up the guzheng and place it on the base vertically. Then, move it horizontally as shown. Lastly, adjust accordingly, and there you go. To keep the guzheng, make the guzheng vertical as shown. Then, hold the handles and hold the guzheng away from the base. If you have difficulty setting up a guzheng, ask an adult for help. Hey guys, thanks for watching our lesson 1 about guzheng. Stay tuned for our next lesson to learn how to play the guzheng. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell to be notified every time we post a new video. See you in the next video. Bye!